Okay, guitar lesson 1 for beginners. Today I'm going to show you how to coordinate your writing hand and your picking hand, and we're going to do a simple exercise. It's pretty simple. We're going to go open in 1 in the first string. So let's start that off. Okay, and then we're going to go to the 5th string, same thing. 4th string. Okay, and all those are downstrokes, they're just downstroking. So you're just going to practice that for 5 minutes a day, just until you get coordination with your picking hand and your fretting hand. So it'll be all downstrokes. Okay, and now go to lesson 2. I'll show you where to go from there.